Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter oatmeal. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of water or milk for the base. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, which is the star of our dish. For a touch of sweetness, have honey or maple syrup on hand. This quick and easy breakfast is perfect for busy mornings. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of water or milk into a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. The oats will absorb the liquid and become wonderfully creamy, creating a perfect base. With your oats perfectly cooked, it's time to add the delicious peanut butter. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, mixing until it's completely melted and smoothly incorporated into the warm oatmeal. This creates a rich, nutty flavor. Now, if you like it sweeter, drizzle in some honey or maple syrup to your liking. Mix well and get ready to enjoy. Your delicious peanut butter oatmeal is now ready to be enjoyed. Spoon it into a bowl and serve it warm. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh banana slices, berries, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for added texture. This hearty and flavorful breakfast is a fantastic way to start your day. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.